Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Urdu and Punjabi. So let's start.
So when we make a interrogative sentence with can, we need to just add key at the start, and the rest of sentence will be
Oh
very
yeah,
simple.
yeah. I remember now. Yeah. Kyo sakadai, kyo ka sakadai.
Yeah, exactly.
I remember now. Yeah.
Hmm. And can he drink?
Can you drink? Kyo pi sakadai.
Hmm. Perfect.
So why ne tusi?
You not?
No, like why not why don't we use tusi for you? You know, like can you eat? There's no tusi. No word the word tusi.
What was the sentence?
Like can you eat?
Hmm.
But the word you means tusi, but
Hmm.
here we use o.
Okay, I didn't focus about this. I focused on key. So actually,
Ah,
yeah, we have to add the word you. कि तुसी पी सकते हो? Can you drink? कि तुसी पी सकते हो?
ki tusi pi sakadao.
Hmm. पी सकता हूँ. Yeah.
Okay.
And you know the meat means M-A-A-T meat.
No. Oh yeah, mirke.
It's just meal. Just meal. Okay. Meat. Can you meet?
So what can you meet?
Yeah.
Ki tusi mil sakadao.
Perfect. And can she meet?
What was the question?
Can she meet?
Kio mil sakadio.
Ending wasn't good.
No.
The end word ho is not correct.
Kio mil sakadio.
Ki o mil saktiya because she always end with a sound. Ki o mil saktiya.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah.
No, it's okay.
Sakadia.
Hmm.
Okay. Kio mil sakadia.
Hmm. And she cannot meet. Cannot meet. It's a negative sentence.
O ne mil sakadio. Sakadie.
Hmm. तो नहीं मिल सकती है. Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, I did a good one there.
Yeah. And okay. Can she not meet? Can she not meet?
Kio ne mil sakadie.
कि वो नहीं मिल सकती. Perfect. Nice. Okay. Okay, try some more by yourself.
Ki asine tur sakadine sakadene. Uh, ki asine tur sakadene.
Excellent. Good.
Ah,
Yeah. You are learning Punjabi by Googling. That's amazing.
ki asine tur sakadene.
Hmm. Can we not walk?
Yeah.
Great. So that thing will boost your confidence. Try more sentences
Yeah.
by yourself.
Ki tusi ga sakadao.
Hmm. Well.
How do you say understand?
Hmm. So understand means samajh. SAMAJ. Samajh.
So much.
Just like samurai. Samajh.
Ah,
Samajh.
so much. Ki tusi samaj sakadao.
Can you understand?
Yeah.
Perfect. And okay, good. Can she understand?
If I just said like main samaj, I could say I understand.
Hmm.
Main samaj.
You need to add the last word here. I understand.
This
Samajhda. When because this tense is present indefinite. I understand. So in present indefinite tenses, we add the with the action word. Like understand is an action word, and we add the. मैं समझता हूँ. And is the last word, the ending word. So I understand. मैं समझता हूँ.
main samaj da.
Hmm.
Main samaj da.
Hmm. And मैं समझता हूँ. And
Ki o samaj sakadiye.
Can you
Ki o
understand?
samaj sakadiye.
That's perfect. Can she understand?
How about ki me o samaj sakadiye.
Can I understand that? Is
Yeah.
that
Ki me o samaj sakadiye. Like, can she understand me?
Oh, so me means. Do you know the me means? Me, I, and me.
Mira?
My means
No, that's
Mira.
mine. That's mine.
I think.
Manu? Manu.
Yeah. Menu.
Menu. Ki manu o samaj sakadiye.
This is perfect, but the me means menu. Menu.
Menu. Menu.
Yeah, this one is right. कि ओ मैनू समझ सकती है.
Ki o manu samad sakadiye?
Now your pronunciation is not good of me. It's
Ah,
कि ओ
menu.
मैनू समझ
Menu.
सकती. Hmm.
Ki o menu samad sakadiye?
Hmm.
Is that better?
It's a perfect. कि ओ
Okay.
मैनू समझ सकती. Oh. And yes, she can understand you.
Hanji. O tusi samad sakadiyo?
हाँ जी, ओ तुसी समझ सकती हो. Okay, okay, good, but not perfect.
Is it? Okay.
So there are in this tense we don't use to see because yes she can understand you. So you is not the nominative case; it's a possessive case. You. So in possessive case we use ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ. ਹਾਂਜੀ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ. When you is a nominative case like first degree, then we translate you as to see. But here it's similar like his, the possessive case his, her, and you, your, you.
Okay. Hanji. O tuhanu. O
Hmm.
tuhanu samad sakadiyo.
Okay, good.
Sakadiye.
A. Yeah, good.